Hello traders and welcome back to another week of trading with the team. I'm Orlando and today we're going to have a look at what we have going on, right? We're going to start by looking at the US dollar. The US dollar is rallying at the moment, and if we look at the daily chart on the DXY, it's pretty obvious that we are in an immediate bullish momentum, right? That 93 level held extremely well, but of course the 93.60 is capping the upside on the DXY. Now, having said that, price keeps making higher lows, right? Higher lows and flat tops. So to me, this looks extremely bullish, and it looks like a breakout is about to happen, right? I mean, I don't know what's going to happen. No one knows what's going to happen. But just by looking at immediate price action, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart, right? If we look at the 4-hour chart, the move from the lows on September 21st, that was last Tuesday, has been extremely bullish, right? The DXY has appreciated, or the US dollar has appreciated 1.71% from the lows on September 21 to the highs on Friday, right? Now, the highs on Friday is the level that is capping the upside immediately on the DXY, and of course we have August highs at around the 93.73 level, which is also going to cap the upside on the DXY. But we continue to look for US dollar longs. We believe this momentum is going to play out on a breakout to the upside, right? Now, if price breaks with last week's highs or Friday's highs, right? And comes to retest August highs, this is where we are going to look, and we are going to be careful with some bearish pressure at this level. So the scenario that personally I'm looking for is this: the break of last week's highs, the retest of August highs, and then the pullback to last week's highs to be able, to be able to buy into that immediate weakness for further upside on the US dollar. Now, that's the US dollar. The Japanese yen is crashing, right? At the moment, I have a long on the pound yen, which is basically a short on the Japanese yen. This trade was sent to my VIP. If you want to be part of the VIP team, just click the link below this video and you will be able to subscribe. But the thing about the Japanese yen is that all the levels that we were looking last week are not holding. Now, this is FXCM's Japanese yen basket, of course, as always. The level that I'm looking for is the 92, 99, or 93 or 93.00. And from the break of today's lows to that level, we have a clean minus 0.45% move expected on the Japanese yen. So I'm expecting more upside on the pound yen, on the euro yen, etc. So the pound yen, the pound yen actually is it's setting up to be a massive breakout, right? I'm gonna show you why, and I'm gonna show you why I have been very patient with this market, because I'm gonna show you the weekly chart first, right? If you look at the weekly chart, right, from the lows in March to the highs in May, the pound moved up against the yen about 25%, right? Right now, for the past I'm actually going to tell you for the past 3 months, price action has been very choppy. The downside is being capped by these previous highs, which is awesome for bulls, right? For a bullish breakout. The upside is going to be capped by, I'm sorry, by these previous highs. This is January 2018 highs, which is the level that capped the 155.75 to 155.90. Let's call it 156, right? Is the level that is capping the upside in the pound yen. But should price and should buyers be able to break out with this consolidation and a break above that 156 level, well, traders, this market will be on a massive rally, and that is what I'm looking for actually. So should price break the 156 level, the next level that I'm looking for profit taking is the 164. So I'm talking about a possible 1000 pip move to the upside should this scenario play out. Now this is the weekly, of course. Let's go back to the daily. And this is what we have on the daily, right? This is what we have on the daily. I'm already long with the VAP team, right? We're already long with the VAP team. Basically what we are looking for is that breakout. Now, the rationale behind this trade was very simple. It was a break of Friday's highs with stops below Friday's lows, etc., right? And a clean break of this previous base. Now, this is the short term, right? On the short term, we do have some levels here where we are going to be taking profits, or I'm going to be taking profits. But basically, that is the trade that we have going on right now. Again, if you want to be part of the VIP team, just click the link below this video and subscribe to the group. Right, so that's what I'm watching at the moment. Gold, let's have a look at some metals. Right, so earlier this morning, I had this scenario in my mind, right? So I put a buy stop above today's highs, right? And with my stops below what was then today's lows, right? On a clear retest of the previous broken highs and a key level. Now, I didn't get triggered on my longs in gold. Actually, I'm going to delete this. And right now, I mean, I'm sorry, metals were crashing. And I have absolutely no plan to trade metals today, right? Nothing at all. So, possibly, I mean, not even possibly. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. This looks extremely bearish. I wouldn't want to be a buyer here at all. This looks super bearish. And the retest of the 1735 level would also not be a buy trigger for me. In hindsight, I should have put on a sell stop too, right, for a possibility, because of the probability of this move was strong enough for me to put on a sell stop and a buy stop, right? For one of them to get triggered. This is a US dollar driven move, of course, with the DXY rallying to those ADR highs. So this one I'm looking at. Again, if you want to be part of the VIP team, you're more than welcome. And the link is below this video.